was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up. It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
And his name is John C.
Jump! Get the fuck down from there!
Let's get ready to rumble!
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.
Medic!
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
No! God, please, no!
Nope. Oh, hell no!
Okay, bend over.
Okay.
Patience. Don't do anything stupid. We'll have to take them out at the same time. Convoy coming. Get outside.
Run.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Surprise, motherfucker!
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Wait a minute!
Wait a minute. Who are you?
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
What is that? What the fuck is that?
What? What the fuck?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
What the fuck?
What the fuck was that?
What the fuck?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
You must die! You picked the wrong house, fool!
You son of a bitch!